Model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 290 Trend ECOTEC Body Kit Sport Modified Alloys Water Van. Smiling face. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 107,593. MOT, 20 May 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Fully loaded, with new alloys will turn heads when passing by. Guaranteed the first person to come and view this and drive it, will definitely buy it starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is in excellent condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in excellent condition. Genuine honest work van. Features,